Hello everybody and welcome in today's video. In today's video we are going to have a look at this specific chart, the Puell Multiple, because the Puell Multiple is going to tell us where Bitcoin might be in this cycle from a miner's perspective. And normally you can look at this chart and say like, okay, whenever the Puell Multiple dips in this green zone right here, we are seeing a great buying opportunity. And the moment when the Puell Multiple is entering the red zone right here, it's time to take profits. However, you can analyze this chart as well, which I have been doing, as you can see right here, which basically is telling us that right now Bitcoin, regarding the Puell Multiple, so regarding the cycle, the market cycle from a perspective from the miners, is actually looking quite good. We are not going to look too much at the price today, guys. The price is still like hovering between the former resistance, which flipped support, slightly right now below the 38.20% and below the 200-day moving average, but still above the 21 weekly moving average. So that is very important. I think basically simple terms, guys, the price right now range between the 200-day and the 21 weekly EMA, which is slightly below this level. So let's say the 21 weekly EMA is between 44,200, 44,500, and the 200-day moving average right now is at 48,250. Breakout to the upside will unlock more bullish momentum. Of course, if we were to get a decisive break to the downside, warning bells are going to ring. So that is important to know. But guys, let's have a look at the analyzed version of the Puell Multiple. I've been using this chart multiple times in the past as well, to check for buying opportunities, to look for certain structures in this chart. So what we can see right here is that during the bull market in 2016 and 2017, we had a nice uptrend in the Puell Multiple with declining resistances, and most of the time when we are bouncing off from support in the Puell Multiple, we are seeing a nice rally in the Bitcoin price. So we had it right here when the Puell Multiple bottomed out. We had an awesome buy signal right here. It was more of a macro buy signal in this time period. Then the next time when we touched that support again, we had a nice buy signal as well. Afterwards, the price of Bitcoin went into a nice rally right here. And the moment we broke that support right here, we also saw that the Bitcoin actually went into a bear market. But during that bear market, guys, we had again declining resistance. The Puell Multiple went into the green zone, which was aligning roughly with the bottom of the Bitcoin price in 2018, roughly at $3,000, slightly above that, 3,800 I guess. But the moment you can see right here, the moment we broke out from the Puell Multiple, from that declining resistance, we again had a massive rally in the Bitcoin price where we went from $4,000 to $14,000. And of course, in percentage terms, that is quite big. So that is very interesting. Then when we have a look at the recent bull market, so to say, the recent cycle, because right now we are still in this cycle. When we look at the Puell Multiple, we haven't lost that uptrend in support. Actually very bullish. We just touched that uptrend in support, and so far we are bouncing off from it right now, testing the declining resistance right here. The last time we broke the declining resistance, we also got a nice rally in the Bitcoin price. That was when we rallied from above $10,000 around these levels, all the way up to roughly $70,000 after we had that nice retest. So something similar I'm going to watch right now as well. We are getting a bounce off the support. If we can break above that declining resistance, that would be great. Maybe we will get a retest or some form of that, and then we can continue this uptrend. As you can see, it looks like these cycles, the first mining cycle took a couple of years. The second miner cycle took already a little bit longer. It is possible that this cycle also will take a little bit longer, but the structure of this chart is actually looking quite good for Bitcoin and shows us that we might be at a similar situation as we were, for example, right here, where Bitcoin was kind of consolidating, but basically preparing for a massive rally. Also right here, preparing for a massive rally. And similar right here, consolidating, moving sideways, a little bit indecisiveness, but also preparing in the background for a massive rally. As long as we are holding this uptrend support, I think this is looking very good, because this is another statistic, another chart showing us that the structure of the Bitcoin cycle that we are seeing right now is still intact. We haven't seen a break of that structure. If we have a look at the Puell Multiple, which is looking at the minus revenue, so at a cycle, we're looking at the Bitcoin cycle from a minus perspective. But as you guys know, miners have a big influence on the price of Bitcoin. We also use the hash ribbons, right, to spot buy signals in the Bitcoin price. That is a very accurate indicator, also based on miners. So that is just very interesting. This is just a chart I wanted to share with you guys, because this is looking quite good. And if we can see a breakout right here to the upside, maybe a retest, continue that uptrend, that would be very healthy for Bitcoin for this cycle, showing us that we can see a massive rally from the levels that we are right now. If we were to lose that uptrend right here, as you can see right here, what we have done, then most likely we are going to have a more bearish structure, and then this chart is showing us that this specific cycle has ended, and that we most likely entering a more bearish cycle, like we did in 2017 to 18, the moment we lost that uptrend in support. So guys, this is a nice chart which we can use in our basket of charts right now, which is actually quite bullish on Bitcoin, especially when we are going to break that declining resistance. If you like today's video, guys, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.